everyone. I am here today to talk to you guys about my salon visit. I am not a salon person, so it was kind of new to me. Granted, I have been to salons in the past, but they were like family because my aunt was a cosmetologist. And then I tried a few different salons after that, but I didn't go often, so maybe once or twice a year still. So this time, I kind of was following someone pretty much throughout the whole year, even though I was using CHEBE because I knew I wanted to maybe go to a salon to get my hair checked on and things like that. And so I did. So I followed her for a long time, and I just wanted to see kind of her work and then her thought process and things like that. And from looking at her page, I noticed that all of her clients seem to have really healthy hair, healthy and growing hair. And you know, those are the people that we normally call growing hands, and you want that kind of cosmetologist. So I followed her, and then the things she would post would be very different from what I would see other stylists or cosmetologists post. So I decided to go get a consultation. In the consultation, again, I'm not used to salons and the whole how that works. So the consultation was 30 minutes long. It was very detailed and thorough. She asked a lot of questions. She checked my hair a little bit. Granted, it did not look great. Okay, it was big chunky twists all over my head. Yeah, but because before I took my hat off, I was like, But anyway, her consultation was very thorough. She asked questions like what type of medications I was on, what did I do for a living, just because she wanted to know like what kind of chemicals and stuff I would possibly be around. She asked about my diet and what I eat, my hair practices and things like that. And I also asked her some questions. So I asked her thoughts on terminal length, because every single person that I had went to beforehand or tried to go to, and I asked about my hair, because my hair used to be, it couldn't get past my collarbone. Like that was always where my hair stopped. So I was like, what do you think about terminal length? And she said, no, not a thing for us. So I was like, great. Okay, that was my first time. That was my first thing that I was going to say, okay, you can't be my stylist if you believe in terminal length. And the reason for that was because everybody was telling me my hair couldn't grow past here, and I got it too. So somebody was wrong. Okay. Then I kind of told her, she asked me what I normally do to my hair, and I told her, and she was like not shocked at all. Like, you know, I figured most cosmetologists would be like, you don't wash your hair for how long? And you put what in it? You know, that's what I thought the reaction I would get, but it was not like that at all. The other thing that I was like, okay, yeah, I'm definitely going to use you. I'm going to do whatever you tell me to do, was because I told her about my hair. I said, okay, I haven't washed it but once this year. And she was like, oh, that's fine. And then she was like, so what do you do in between time? And I was like, I use CHEBE. And guys, she knew what it was. Like, she knew what CHEBE was. She also knew about some other villages and different things that they use. The people who use the red clay on their hair and on their bodies and stuff. So she knew about those African ancient, so to speak, practices. And she's like, yeah, that's actually really good for your hair. And I was like, really? Like, you know what it is? I was like, great. What do you want me to do now? What's wrong with my hair? And before I went, I did have my hair washed. Like, I washed my hair. Well, my husband washed my hair. Y'all saw that video. And I told you that my hair felt really weird after. And I told her that. And I was like, my hair normally doesn't feel weird. Granted, I don't know what it feels like without CHEBE in it, but it didn't feel like I thought it should feel. And I told her what I did, and she, you know, kind of said, this is probably why. And so, like I said, I expressed some of my concerns with her, and she kind of, you know, helped me through that process. So then about a week later, I actually had my appointment, and knew that I needed my ends done because it had been like a year and a half since I cut my own ends. So I was like, yeah, I need to probably go to a professional and get my ends cut. I will insert pictures of my hair before she cut it, and then pictures of my hair after she cut it. I mean, you can see it a little bit now, but you can see how much she had to cut. And we kind of have a plan that she is going to check my hair every 2 months and just check it to make sure I'm still doing things right. She did give me some tips on how to preserve my hair, and I'll share those in another video. I just wanted to come and just tell you how my salon visit was this time, and it was really good. I was trying to relax, like I said, because I haven't ever been to a salon, but I was asking her like tons and tons of questions because I'm not used to salons. So just some things that I learned from what I asked was what is their official title? What is the appropriate thing to call them? Because I'm used to hearing beautician, stylist, hairdresser, cosmetologist, and things like that. She told me that the correct terminology would be cosmetologist. So if this helps anybody. The other question I asked was tipping, because I also saw a lot of people, a lot of other cosmetologists online saying like, oh, they didn't tip me XYZ, and they were like upset about it. So I was like, how is this supposed to work, and how much is the right thing to tip? Because, you know, like when you go to restaurants, they have like this standard of whatever percent it is, and that's kind of what's expected. So I didn't want to offend her and, you know, think that she didn't do good work because I didn't tip or anything like that. So I just wanted to know what the gold standard was for tipping. Okay. And she said, oh, you don't have to tip. She was like, most cosmetologists ask for tips to cover the service charge of processing your payment, but she said it's only like 1 or 2%. So if your service is like, I think my service was $75 for everything that I got done, and my hair got, of course, washed. She did some treatments in my hair, and then of course she straightened it and then trimmed my ends. The treatments were amazing, like the tingling and all that good stuff. And she uses natural products, which is great. But my service was $75, and so she was like, if you wanted to, if I made you tip or something like that, she was like, the service charge that I get charged is only like $1 or $2. I was like, so why do people make a big deal about it? And so, but anyway, she said you don't have to tip. At least her, she said it's not required for her, but she does appreciate tips. But it's not like a thing. People just kind of made it a thing, I guess. Oh, my hair. She only did one pass through my hair, and she flat ironed it on 370. 370. Most of the time, people flat iron hair way higher, like 450, 430 ish. I know when I flat iron my own hair, I put it as high as they said I could go. But she flat ironed it on 370 with one pass. And like I said, this is a week so far, and it's been raining every single day since I got it done. It started raining the day that I got it done, so I think that's pretty good. Oh, another thing is, I thought that my hair in the middle was suffering. I thought this for like the longest because it always appeared super short compared to the rest of my hair. So I was asking her like, what do you think? Why is my hair super short in the middle? And so when she got done with my hair, she was like, your hair is not short or shorter in the middle. She said what it is it appears to be a lot shorter because it's the kinkiest part of my hair. So it shrinks up the most. So it looks like it's way shorter than the rest of my hair. So yeah, she said my hair wasn't shorter in the middle. It just looked like it was because it's kinkier. So yeah, I'm excited to see and listen to all the things that she said to do and share them with you guys in the next video. And I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching.